Many users apply the generic parametric cuts for diamond allocation. These cuts have an extensive number of parameters, and may provide with high-yield solutions. Asymmetric allocation algorithm, SmartRecut, could provide with even higher yields to solutions based on the generic parametric cuts. Since current version, users can run the SmartRecut algorithm for a solution based on most popular Octonus generic parametric cuts. Let's call them SmartCuts. Operators specify factory cut standards in the unified SmartCut appraiser just once, and get control over the necessary parameters limits at all stages of solutions allocation and appraising. There are first solution by Global 22 single algorithm and next 8 solutions by SmartRecut algorithm. As expected, SmartRecut solutions have greater mass and comparable optical performance. SmartCuts are located in Cutbook generic cuts. SmartCuts are highlighted by badge S in the lower right corner of the cut. Set of cuts will expand over time. SmartCut has its linked appraiser, which is automatically displayed, along with cut selection. There are 2 types of parameters in the appraiser of SmartCut: parameters of generic parametric cut, and parameters from the new in-house appraiser. Consider parameters from the in-house appraiser. There are main cut parameters. Factories usually control exactly these parameters for fancy cuts. Software varies and optimizes values of these parameters during both global allocation and allocation by SmartRecut algorithm. After getting of solutions, the grading is produced by only these parameters. Consider parameters of generic parametric cut. Global allocation algorithms vary the values of considered parameters for search of optimal solution. But SmartRecut algorithm doesn't use these parameters. Also note that these parameters doesn't participate in final solution grading. And editing the limits of these parameters is available in a user-friendly software interface in the panel appraiser editor. Previously, this operation was laborious, requiring manually edit of the appraiser txt file. Pay attention to Sweetline. Sweetline allows you to find solutions with better optical performance. In previous versions, there was no Sweetline for generic parametric cuts. To check Sweetline effect, we run the allocation using profile high performance without restrictions by Sweetline. To remove restrictions, we copy profile high performance to custom profile user profile 2 and set the range of Sweetline parameter for excellent group from -50 to 50. Run allocation by global algorithm. Select preferable solution, and then run allocation by SmartRecut algorithm. Compare solutions, with control and without control by Sweetline. Solutions with Sweetline control are better by a brilliance and have more attractive a set.